Kaugnay po ng inilabas na resulta ng investigasyon ng CAAP sa pagbagsak ng eroplano ni DILG Secretary Robredo, makakausap po natin sa telepono si Captain Antonio Juridini, ang direktor ng Aviator Flight School. Magandang hapon po, Captain Antonio Juridini.
Magandang hapon po, ma'am. Good afternoon to one and all. What can I do for you, ma'am?
Sir, ano po masasabi ninyo sa resulta ng investigasyon ng CAAP? Unang-una po, hindi raw kaya ni Captain Jessup Bahinting na magpalipad ng eroplanong iisang makina lang yung gumagana.
Well, I would say maybe, maybe not. You know why? Ang mga piloto on a multi-engine airplane always receive a training on how to fly it on one engine. Only, hindi real talagang pinapatay yung makina. It is just simulated. And they always receive this training before the issuance of their authorization to fly this particular type of airplane. CAAP po ang nagbibigay niyan. May check ride dyan sila sa CAAP. So, I would say yes or no to that question, ma'am.
So, we can't answer categorically, Captain Juridini. Was he trained for this or not?
Concerned, but most pilots, including myself, will be able to say that the pilot concerned, Captain Bahinting, really did try his best because who would like to have an accident? Who would like to die? And he is very much aware of the precarious situation that he is in at that particular time. So he really tried his best to land at Masbate. He tried his best to save the airplane because he knows pretty well that, and everybody would agree with me here, that if he can bring the airplane in one piece, all of them will also be all right.
Okay, doon naman po sa isa pang issue, no? Totoo po bang yung mga mekaniko ng Aviator na nagkukumpuni ng inyong mga eroplano hindi raw otorisado ng mga manufacturer?
We don't repair these airplanes, ma'am. We just conduct preventive maintenance ng mga mekaniko namin. The way I see it, because I asked our mechanics, sir, we are not authorized to overhaul this particular engine of this particular airplane. Ang amin dito, sir, is changing of spark plug, change of oil, cleaning the oil filter, changing ignition harness if it is necessary. So, it down to one, kuan lang ma'am. Bottom line, ito is preventive maintenance lang ang ginagawa nila. They are not supposed to open the engine, ma'am. They are not authorized to do that.
So,
that's really true.
So, ang sinasabi niyo po, dahil preventive maintenance lang, hindi kailangan na they're approved by the manufacturer.
No, they are not authorized. So they are not authorized. We are not authorized to overhaul this particular engine.
So kahit po preventive maintenance, hindi po ba kailangan na nag-aral din sila doon sa mismong nag-manufacture ng eroplano?
Not necessarily. They can study among themselves because this is just a light multi-engine airplane. Hindi naman to very complicated aircraft. Opo.
So ano
Unlike Airbuses and Boeing airplanes.
Okay. So, dun sa pangatlong issue naman po, ano naman po yung masasabi ninyo dun sa sinabi ng CAAP na may sabwatan daw ang Aviator at yung isang inspector ng CAAP sa paglabag dito sa mga regulatory requirements?
Well, I would say probably, I cannot give you a really specific answer to that question, ma'am, because when that happened long time before the accident, and I have just been employed with Aviator last November of last year, so that happened long time ago, so I'm not privy to those things. So I'm sorry I cannot give you any specific answer to that question.
Who would be privy to this, sir?
It's Captain Bahinting because he is the person in charge for the accountable manager for the charter service.
Okay, maraming salamat po sa oras ninyo. Captain Antonio Juridini, ang director ng Aviator Flight School.